Hey guys, it's your girl Anitra Ni, and I'm back at it with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and interact with me. Definitely don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get updates and exclusive content that I have available for you. So guys, we are making lip gloss today, and we're going to start off with no other than TKB lip gloss base, and this will be the Glossability, which also has vitamin E in it. So next you're going to need 3 containers, which I will be making my chocolate melanin, my Barbie pink, and also a lip glass, which is my clear gloss. And you're going to pour the amount of gloss that you would need for each batch. So next I'm going in with fractionated coconut oil that I'll be pouring a capful into each container. Next we're going to be using TKB flavoring oil. For the clear gloss I am using scent strawberry, which is a yummy scent. Now we're going to go in with L'Oreal strawberry kiwi just to enhance the smell by using 2 to 3 drops. So for my Barbie pink gloss I am using TKB's mixed berry, which smells delicious. And last, for my melanin gloss I'm going in with L'Oreal's coconut oil with about 2 to 3 drops. Now it's time to put color in your life. No, I'm just playing. Lip gloss, I'm going in with Coming Up Rose Lip Liquid. So guys, now it's time to mix. Once you have your base, your oils, your flavoring, and also your lip liquids, you are going to mix the gloss very well. I cannot stress this enough. You are going to mix until all the air bubbles are out, until your consistency of liking. So guys, I feel that my Barbie pink gloss is a little too dark for my liking, so I went ahead and I added white lip liquid to brighten up the pink in the gloss. And then I also went in with a shimmering powder in the name of Sparkle Rose to give my Barbie pink a little bit more shimmer. And then with that, we're going to definitely blend very well and making sure all the liquids and powder are evenly distributed in the gloss. So now once all the glosses have been mixed very well with all air bubbles coming out of the gloss, I went ahead and I washed my tubes. I sanitized those and let them dry overnight, and now we're going to start filling, which is the very fun part of it, to have all of what you created come together. So what I did was I took a pipette, I took a 60 milliliter syringe, I measured the pipette to inside the lip gloss tube to make sure that once I fill the gloss that the pipette will fit inside the lip gloss tube. And then next I'm going to tape the pipette onto the 60 milliliter syringe and start filling my gloss. Hustling.
is I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch.
So now guys, we're going to start getting into filling the actual tubes. These are my new lip gloss tubes, which is super sexy and super compact. And the first gloss we're going to be using is the Barbie pink gloss, and we're going to start filling the syringe with the pink gloss, and we're going to start filling these tubes up. So guys, as you see, it's very easy to start filling up these lip gloss tubes. It's nothing to it. Okay, so once I finished filling up my Barbie pink, I started moving into my chocolate melanin, and it smells super amazing. And I'm filling up this lip gloss tube now, and then the next lip gloss tube I'll be filling is my lip glass with strawberry and strawberry kiwi, and we're after filling up all of my lip gloss tubes, now you see I have my Barbie pink, and you see my chocolate melanin, and you have my Boujiee lip glass with strawberry kiwi in it. Then next, what you want to do is definitely give these lip glosses or lip tubes a really good bath. Okay, you want to get off all the oils that might be on the container after you filling them up. And what I'm doing now is definitely washing them with some Dawn soap, because it's very easy, and that's the #1 product I use, so I can get all the grease and residue off my tubes before I box them up. So here's the finished product. This is the chocolate melanin high shine gloss, which is very pigmented and super moisturizing. It has a lot of benefits. As you've seen, there's coconut oil also with vitamin E in it, and I wanted to show you what it looks like outside the tube as well inside the tube. So ladies, I have my Boujiee Barbie pink gloss, which is very high pigmented, it's long lasting, it's very moisturizing, it has excellent benefits, as you know, coconut oil as well as vitamin E oil, and I'm just super excited for you to wear. It also has the shimmer tint, as I put in with the sparkle rose, and I'm just excited for you guys to wear it. So last but not least, we also have my Boujiee lip glass, which is super high shine. It's moisturizing, it has excellent benefits, it's long lasting as well. And for you ladies, I'm super excited to be launching my cosmetic line, and I just am super excited for you to see what I have next. So guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Thank you guys so much for actually watching my tutorial and watching how I actually make my lip gloss. All products that you see in this tutorial will be down in the description box below, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Definitely interact with me, because like I said, I'm here for you ladies. I'm here to give exactly what you are looking for with no disappointments. And definitely check out my website, which will also be down in the description box below. Until next time, chic is sexy and bougie is she.